Hello students, in the last video we discussed about the ECM process, and today our topic of discussion is EDM, electric discharge machine. This is also the non-traditional process. So the process is removing the material in the conducting material. So this is tool and this is workpiece. For removing the material, here we use the dielectric fluid. And the both workpiece and tool are conducting in nature. So EDM is high voltage and low current process, while the ECM was high current and low voltage process. It uses an RC circuit. RC means resistance and capacitance. So this circuit follows the EDM process. This is battery and this is switch, on off switch. So in the first case, in the first cycle, when the circuit is closed, the capacitor stores the charges up to the threshold voltage V0. मतलब जो हाईएस्ट वोल्टेज होगा बैटरी का वो तब तक फर्स्ट साइकिल में वोल्टेज को स्टोर करेगा. एंड द चार्जिंग टाइम इज T1. When the battery reach the threshold voltage, then the circuit is open, and this is known as the cycle 2, and then capacitor will dissipate charge. Due to dissipation of charges, here spark is generated, because the dissipation of charges is a spontaneous process, and by the dissipation of charges and by the spark generation, here intense heat is produces. While following the intense heat, here fusion and vaporization processes takes place. By the fusion and vaporization pressures, the material removal takes place. This is the mechanism of the electric discharge machining, EDM. Now we move to for finding out the various parameter of the EDM process. The first parameter is dissipate voltage. VD equal to V0 1 minus e की power minus P1 upon RC. Here VD is dissipate voltage and V0 is threshold voltage of the cycle 1, and T1 is charging time. R is resistance and C is capacitance. And to find out the energy, we use the formula 1 upon 2 CVD square. C is same capacitance, E is energy. And next term is power. Power is equal to energy divided by time, T1 plus T2. T1 is charging time and T2 is dissipation time, but the dissipation time is very less than the charging time, so we can neglect it and equal to E upon T1, and we will get 1 by 2 CVD square upon T1 equal to CVD square upon 2 T1. We can put here the value of VD. Power is P equal to C Vd square upon 2T1. This is the formula of power. Here, to find out the maximum power, the parameter will be, we can calculate the parameters. So P equal to C Vd square upon 2T1. Value of Vd is V naught T1 V1 V naught bracket 1 minus e की power T1 upon RC. So V Vd V naught 1 minus e की power T1 upon RC the whole square upon 2T1. For the simplification, we can write T1 upon RC equal to capital N. So P equal to C V naught square 1 minus e की power minus n का whole square upon 2T1. Multiply by R and divide by R, then T1 upon RC. This T1 upon RC will become N. So V naught square 1 minus e की power n का whole square upon 2n R. For the maximum value of n, we differentiate with respect to the n and put it equal to 0. After calculation, we will get n equal to 1.26. And for this value n, we can calculate the value of Vd, and by putting this value in this formula, we get Vd equal to 0.716. This is the value for maximum power. So today we discuss about the EDM process. EDM is also used for conducting materials only, and the drawback of this process is the material removal rate is less than the ECM process, and here wear is more than the ECM process. So thank you, and if you have any query, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.